Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about a tool. It's called T-Bomb. It's mostly used for SMS and call bombing. So it's basically a social engineering tool. You can spam someone with various messages and calls from multiple different numbers. So that will send him in a panic attack, and by using that you can utilize it to your own benefit. So I'll teach you that now. So this tool is available on GitHub. You just need to search T-Bomb. It's developed by the SpeedX. So just go and git clone it. So I'm gonna open my terminal. I already have cloned it, so I'll be showing you. So the instructions for installing it is already given here. It runs Python based, so you need Python to install it. So for Linux users or 10MUX users, the things are available here. This is basically the commands I use to install it. I am using Kali Linux right now. So let's get started. Let's see. cd T-Bomb, the list. So I already have installed it, so I'll directly be opening it. So I'm gonna press enter to continue. So the options you have here are view featuring, updating it. You can start a call bombing or a SMS bombing. So you can just press 4 for checking out the features. So here we go. You can just give it a read. Let me start with, let's say, SMS bombing, for example. So yeah, it's gonna look for updates at first, then get started. So it will ask for the country code. You have to place the country code without using the plus sign. So let's get started. So it's asking for the target number. So I'm gonna place a number. So it's asking for the number of messages I want to send. If I want to send unlimited messages, I have to type 0. So let's go with a minor number. Let's say 15. Well, delay time, that is the interval of the time between 2 or more messages. So it's recommended for 2 seconds because that's the time minimum taken for a server to send a message. So just add a 1 second. I'll give 3 seconds. So yeah, it's gonna get started. I'm gonna connect my phone. So let's see. Yeah, so my phone is visible right now. So this showing that one request has been sent, one was successful, one wasn't. So as you can see, one text just came, second text came. It has a probability of success at, you can say, 60%. So not all messages will be received by you, or 90% of the message will be received but not at an interval of 2 seconds. It may take more time. So let's see. It also depends on your net speed. Mine is okay, I would say. One failed, 4 successful. I think I received 2 or 3 messages already. That was 6 requests sent, 5 successful. I still didn't receive any. There comes one more. I placed the number limit as 15, so that's the number of times it's gonna run. I'll just keep my screen awake. Okay, so yeah, one more. Here comes another. Request was 13. 14, 15, 16, 17. It runs 70 times because I gave the limit as 15, but there were 2 unsuccessful messages, so adding that it had sent 17 requests, out of which 15 were successful, 2 were unsuccessful. So let me show you. As you can see, I have been spammed with text. Not all of them came, but as I told, there's only 60% probability of coming text. Now let's explore the other option. Let's just run it again. We went with option 1, now I'll go for option 2. Same process. Number of calls to send is 15. I'll go with 10. Interval is recommended 10 seconds because you can't send multiple calls at once. So yeah, I'll go with 10. Let me open my phone. So first one was a failure. This takes time, and moreover I set the interval time as 15, so yeah, there goes 2 failures. Okay, so it's a spam call. If you pick up, they will just say random stuff. This one is not speaking at all, so I just cut it. Two successful, 2 unsuccessful. That was one call. Let's see one more. So Flipkart are often reported as spam, so let's pick it up. As you can see, no one is gonna speak, but it's a valid number. Okay, so 4 successful requests, out of which 2 calls just came. I gave the limit as 10 if I remember, so it's gonna run 5 more times, 4 more times. Yeah, once more. Same number, see? No one's gonna talk. Ten requests and one more. See, it's a California Ola number. I will show you a number. Take a look. Not an Indian number. So I'll pick it up. You can try speaking, but no one's gonna reply. One more. Again from Flipkart. Number of requests 12. There goes 13. 10 successful. It's gonna stop now. See, it stopped. So that's how T-bomb works. So it's basically SMS and call bombing anyone. You can modify it to your own benefit and use it. You know how it's used. I'm not gonna expose any ways. You can think of your own. So that's basically how it works. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.